Welcome to Mastering Stakeholder Mapping. Today, we'll explore how to identify and engage key decision-makers, influencers, and blockers in complex organizational hierarchies. Stakeholder mapping ensures you focus on the right people, address their concerns, and build consensus. Let's dive in. There are 3 key stakeholder roles in enterprise sales. Economic buyer controls the budget and final decision. Influencer shapes the decision but doesn't control the budget. Blocker can derail the deal if their concerns aren't addressed. Understanding these roles helps you tailor your approach and keep the deal on track. Stakeholder mapping ensures you engage the right people, address concerns, and build consensus. For example, missing a key influencer can lead to deal delays or losses. Mapping stakeholders helps you avoid surprises and close deals faster. To map stakeholders effectively, develop these skills. Build coalition maps, visualize relationships and influence among stakeholders. Conduct 5 wise interviews, uncover root concerns and motivations. For example, ask, "Why is this project important to you?" and dig deeper to understand their priorities. These tools help you build trust and align stakeholders around your solution. The power/interest grid is a simple yet powerful tool to prioritize stakeholders. High power/high interest, key decision makers, example economic buyer. High power/low interest, keep satisfied, example senior executives. Low power/high interest, keep informed, example end users. Low power/low interest, monitor, example peripheral teams. Using this grid helps ensure you engage the right people at the right level. Let's look at a real-world example. Microsoft uses stakeholder mapping to identify key decision-makers and influencers in large Azure deals. Their process includes identifying stakeholders using firmographic and technographic data, building coalition maps to visualize relationships, conducting interviews to uncover pain points and motivations. The result? Improved alignment and faster deal closures. This approach highlights the impact of structured stakeholder engagement. Now it's time to reflect. Think about a recent deal. Did you identify all key stakeholders? Were there any surprises? Reflecting on your experiences helps you refine your approach and close more deals. Let's recap. Stakeholder roles: economic buyer, influencer, blocker. Tools: coalition maps, power/interest grid, 5 wise interviews. By mastering these skills, you'll build stronger relationships and close deals faster. Here's a practical challenge. Imagine you're working on a $1 million deal with a complex organizational hierarchy. How would you use a power/interest grid to prioritize stakeholders? Set a goal to map stakeholders for your next deal using a coalition map or power/interest grid. Thank you for joining us and best of luck on your sales journey.